First up, we have the Lemken Reuben 10/1000 KUA, a masterpiece in the world of agriculture machinery. Brought to us by Lemken, a German company known for its quality and innovation in agricultural tools, this compact disc harrow is designed for intense soil mixing and crumbling. What makes the Reuben 10/1000 KUA stand out is its ability to work soil at depths previously unattainable by similar machines, making it perfect for preparing land for planting. Next on our list is the Sampo Rosenloo HR86, a forest harvester that's a game changer in the forestry industry. Hailing from Finland, Sampo Rosenloo has been at the forefront of developing machines that increase productivity and reduce environmental impact. The HR86 is specifically designed for thinning operations, featuring advanced technology that allows for precise cutting, thus ensuring sustainable forest management practices. Moving on to an entirely different field, we introduce the land-based bucket ladder dredgers. These machines are engineering marvels designed for dredging operations in harbors, rivers, and lakes. With a focus on efficiency and environmental safety, these dredgers can remove sediment without harming the aquatic ecosystem. They are often used in projects requiring the deepening of waterways and are vital for maintaining navigable channels. Lastly, we look at the Halara's Maize Leveler. This machine comes from the Netherlands, produced by Hoopman Machines, a company with a rich history in agricultural machinery. The maize leveler is specifically designed to evenly distribute and level maize in silos, ensuring optimal storage conditions. Its special feature includes the ability to quickly adjust to different silo sizes, making it an invaluable tool for farmers looking to maximize the quality and longevity of their stored maize. The Terex Finlay I140 RS is an innovative piece of machinery engineered by Terex Corporation, a global manufacturer based in the United States. This machine is a standout in the construction and demolition waste recycling sector, boasting a robust design that allows for efficient material reduction and precise shape conformity. Its special feature includes an integrated pre-screen that significantly reduces wear costs while increasing productivity. The I140 RS is primarily used for crushing and mining and quarrying applications, making it a vital tool for businesses looking to process materials on site efficiently. Next, we have the Finlay LJ 130 Hybrid, another impressive offering from Terex Corporation. This machine is the largest hybrid jaw crusher in the company's lineup and is designed for large-scale quarry and mining operations. Its hybrid powertrain offers significant fuel savings and lower operating costs, making it an environmentally friendly choice without sacrificing performance. The LJ 130 Hybrid is particularly notable for its ability to provide high capacity while ensuring product quality, making it essential for producing aggregates and mining ore. Switching gears to agriculture, the New Holland Broud 11.90X Multi is a state-of-the-art harvesting machine tailored for almonds and olives. Developed by New Holland Agriculture, a brand under CNH Industrial from Italy, this machine is renowned for its efficiency and versatility. It features an innovative harvesting system that gently shakes and collects the fruits, minimizing damage and maximizing yield. The Broud 11.90X Multi is specifically designed for multi-purpose use, making it a game changer for farmers looking to harvest different types of crops with a single machine. Its special feature includes the capability to adapt to various orchard types and tree sizes, ensuring high productivity and operational flexibility. Lastly, the McCormick X5P3 drive stands out in the agricultural machinery sector. Crafted by McCormick Tractors, part of the Argo Tractors SPA group in Italy, this tractor is tailored for modern farming needs. It combines comfort, power, and efficiency thanks to its innovative P3 drive transmission system that offers smooth operation and optimal control across a wide range of tasks. The X5P3 drive is particularly suited for crop farming, livestock management, and more, making it a versatile addition to any farm. Its standout feature is the ergonomic design and user-friendly interface, which enhance operator comfort and productivity during long working hours. The Mansonen 300R is a groundbreaking piece of machinery developed by Mansonen Group, a Finnish company. This hydraulic material handler is designed to revolutionize the way bulk materials are handled in ports around the world. Its special feature, the ability to move incredibly large volumes of materials quickly and efficiently, sets it apart in the logistics and material handling industry. The Mansonen 300R is particularly useful for loading and unloading ships, offering a blend of speed, precision, and power. Next, we have the Univerco G-Force 2-row carrot harvester, a gem from Univerco, a Canadian company. This machine is specifically engineered for the agricultural sector to make carrot harvesting smoother, faster, and more efficient. The G-Force 2 stands out for its ability to gently extract carrots from the soil, ensuring that the produce remains undamaged. Its innovative design minimizes soil compaction and maximizes yield, making it a favorite among farmers who seek to enhance their productivity and reduce labor costs. The Agrometer SRS 1200 comes from Agrometer, a Danish company known for its cutting-edge agricultural equipment. This self-propelled irrigation and slurry management system is tailored for large-scale farms, offering a flexible and efficient solution to manage water and nutrients. Its standout feature is the advanced pumping system that allows for precise application of slurry over wide areas, ensuring that crops receive optimal nutrition while conserving resources and protecting the environment. Finally, the HSU 3000-4000 VI Ultra Air Blast Sprayer is a product of HSU, a leading agricultural machinery manufacturer. This high-efficiency sprayer is designed to maximize crop protection efforts with its ultra-fine mist technology. The sprayer's unique feature is its ability to cover a large area quickly while ensuring uniform distribution of pesticides or fertilizers, making it invaluable for farmers looking to safeguard their crops against pests and diseases efficiently.